Hey guys, how's it going? So I decided to dash during COVID-19. So this is my first day, so I'm sure that's going to be really interesting. So if you want to know what that's going to be like, then stay with me. And then also, as a little perk, I'm going to be wearing the hottest, newest fashion trend. Wow guys, this is so strange dashing during COVID-19. Wow. Hey, how's it going? I'm here to pick up an order for Jonathan E. Thank you. Well guys, that went fairly quick. He had everything ready. He didn't have a mask on, but you know, at least the food was ready, and at least I'm wearing a mask to stay safe. Okay guys, here we go with the delivery. Okay, so how are you?
Good, how are you?
Do you want me to?
I don't care. You can bring it on. I'm fine. You can bring it right up here.
Okay, so I'm gonna, just because I'm a little uncomfortable, I'm
What
gonna
do you want
I'm gonna sit it right there for
to do?
you.
Okay, do you have the receipt? Or I already give you a tip?
No, it's already supposed to be in the app or whatever.
Is it in
So
the app?
whatever you did in the app is gonna show up for me.
Okay, good.
So-
I just wanna make sure you got a tip.
Okay, thank you. Take it easy. Be safe. Guys, that one was a little weird. But hey, at least he got his food and it seemed like everything went okay. Wow. And again, it is no one in the dining room. Of course not. It's Jerome J. I looked over there, I didn't see anything. I see a Jeremy, but I don't see a Jerome. Unless maybe I like overlooked it or something. Oh, but you know what? It says my pickup time is 6:39 and it's only 6:35, so maybe it's not up yet. Well guys, it's only 6:37. They have a couple more minutes before the order should be ready, so I guess I will check back with them then. So in this restaurant, they're wearing masks, but they're just kind of like hanging around their necks, which kind of defeats the purpose of them having a mask in the first place. So I'm just checking back in because it's 6:39 now. Not you.
Oh.
Jerome. All right, thank you. Take it easy. Okay guys, here we go. Let's go and deliver it. Now, so far, DoorDash has been trying to do this no contact delivery thing. So this person wants me to leave the food at their doorstep. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, there's the food. Let me just do a courtesy knock. And I will disappear. Yeah, so that wasn't so bad. I kind of miss talking to the customers because they're really funny, but oh well, we have to do what we have to do. Okay guys, I am just checking in with you. So that last delivery went okay. The guy kind of peeked his head out and said thank you, which was very, very sweet. But I do miss talking to the customers. I have so much fun talking to the customers. So I just cannot wait until this COVID-19 thing is over. And then also a perk is I've only been dashing for 2 hours, guys. And so far I have made $59.79. Let me show you. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, like I've been dashing for 2 hours and so far I've made $59.79. And then I noticed that they're putting this $12 challenge thing, and so far I have 4 of 6 deliveries completed. So I'm not really sure about that. I'm gonna try to look into it and I will let you guys know. Okay, and while I'm taking a little break, let's have a discussion about the latest, hottest fashion trend that I am wearing. Guys, I'm trying to be safe, but it's so hard. I keep forgetting to put the mask on, or either I'll forget to take it off. Meanwhile, I can't wear my lip gloss, which I love, because I'm trying to be safe. But I guess if I had to pick between the two, safety is always first. Okay guys, so now I'm at Dolly's Pizza. It says that my drive will be a total of 2.9 miles for a total of $12.50. So I'm excited about that. I'm just waiting for them to prepare the food, but I'm just gonna pay attention to if they're wearing a mask and how will I get this pizza? How are we gonna do this? All right guys, let's go get the pizza. Hey, I have a DoorDash order.
You for pickup?
Yes.
Okay. DoorDash?
Yes.
Alright. You still got a couple minutes, okay?
Okay, sure. So maybe like come back in 5 minutes, maybe?
Come back in here about like 4, yeah. 4 5.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Okay, guys. So they said to come back in a few minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to hang out in my... Okay, so I'll just put the food right here on this table. There it is. Let's see if they have a doorbell. Don't see a bell, so I'll just do a courtesy knock. All right, and I disappear. Hey, is that okay that I left it on the table? Okay, thanks. Worked out perfectly. Okay guys, so I finished my night. Let's see what I've made so far. I dashed from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. So let's see how I did for the night. Let me hit end. Yes, I am definitely done. Not bad, not bad. I made $96.11 for tonight, which is great because my little nephew's birthday is coming up. So now I can buy him a nice gift. I forgot to mention that this morning I dashed for 2 hours, and tonight I dashed from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. And I made a total of $142 for the entire day. I have to say that's not bad at all, if I do say so myself. There were a few ups and downs as far as dashing during COVID-19. The first downfall is that I did not enjoy wearing the mask. They were so uncomfortable. They're just so uncomfortable. But of course, safety is first. And then second, one of my favorite parts when it comes to door dashing is interacting with the customers and meeting new people and just, just talking to them and finding out what's going on with them. So the fact that I'm just dropping off the food and then going about my business without even, really saying too much to the customer drives me nuts. Yeah, I don't like that part either. On the upside, I did make some pretty decent money today. So, I guess it all balances out. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please do click the red subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys later. And be safe and wear your mask no matter how uncomfortable they are. Okay, bye. Oh, yes, and I almost forgot. Shout out to my mother. Today is her birthday. Happy birthday to her. And then my dad's birthday will be on April 14th. So shout out to him up in heaven. All right, guys.